Hello guys, I am Kaushal and I am going to help you guys in deploying your first Angular project on Render. So before moving on to the deployment process, we will first create a Angular project. So to create Angular project, we will head towards to Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code. Okay. So once the Visual Studio Code is open, type the command ng sample. It would create an Angular project with naming sample. Okay, once you hit enter, there are multiple style sheet format options which you can use in your Angular project like CSS, SAS indented and less. There are multiple style sheet options. You can go as per your requirement. I will go with CSS. Once you hit enter, uh, it will ask, do you want to enable server-side rendering and static site generation? We will go with yes. At the next part, it will also ask, would you like to use the server routing and app engine APIs? We will hit yes. Once we hit yes, uh, it will install the required packages and it would take a couple of minutes to install the required packages and files in Angular. We will wait. Once all the packages are installed successfully, now we will check whether the uh, Angular project is working fine by hosting it locally. So as you can see, we are in the angular.youtube directory. So our project is in sample folder. Okay, we have created a new Angular project, right? Naming sample. So as you can see here, it's the terminal is open in the Angular dash YouTube. Okay, so to change the directory, we will use the command change directory and the folder name. Let's say sample. Once we hit enter, as you can see, we are in the sample Angular project. So to host the Angular project locally, the command is ng serve. Enter. Uh, would you like to share? Yes, I would like to share. Okay, so it's building the Angular project. Okay, so on this localhost colon 4200 port, your Angular project is hosted. So uh, press Control plus click to navigate to the project. So uh, yes, you can see our sample project works fine. To host the Angular project on Render, we first need to upload our project on the GitHub. So uh, to upload your project on GitHub, we will go to browser and type github.com. Once we are on the github.com, we will create a new repository. It should be exact same as you created the Angular project. So in my case, I have created a Angular project naming sample. So I will create exactly the same sample repository in the GitHub. So the description is optional. And one more thing, the repository should be public, not private. And you can add, check or uncheck this add a readme file and as per your requirement and create a new repository. You will create a new repository naming sample. Okay. So once you create the sample repository, head towards the Visual Studio Code and select the Git Bash terminal. It takes some time. So once again, as you can see, we are in the Angular dash YouTube directory, but our project is in sample, and we want to upload our Angular project that is in sample. So we need to change the directory, change directory sample. So as you can see, we are into the sample directory. So to upload the project, in the GitHub, the first command is git init. It will initialize, and the second command is git add space dot. It will ensure all the files are included. Hit enter, and once we are done with the adding require all the files of Angular, we will require to commit. So the command is git commit space dash n. It means message that we want to commit. Uh, so we will just simply type a message first commit. Hit enter. So once we commit, go to the browser, and here you can see the step-by-step process to upload your Angular projects in GitHub. So we completed till here. Okay, git commit dash m. M means message, and the message. Okay, so the next command for us will be git branch. This one we will just copy and paste it into the terminal. Just enter. And likewise, the next command is git remote add origin, and this will we will also copy and paste it into the terminal. Enter. And the last command, we will push. We will push the committed to the branch that is main. We will paste. Hit enter. Okay. So all the files are uploaded to the GitHub repository naming sample. Once you refresh, you will get all the files that are in this sample, as you can see. Okay, so we are done with creating Angular project and uploading it to the GitHub. The next step is to host our Angular application, and we have chosen the platform Render. So let's head towards the render.com. Okay, so as you can see here, here's the option get started. We will start and create a new account. So you can create account. So I will create an account. Okay, once we entered the email and password, it will ask for verification. Let's do verification. Once the email verification is done, head towards the render website, enter render.com, and it will redirect to the page. Okay. So as you can see, here's the option dashboard. Click on it. Once you click on it, it showcases many services that are provided by the render. So here's the static site, web services, private services, and all. So we are going to select static site because our website is a single static page. Okay, there's no backend services used on it like MongoDB and all. So we are going to select static site. Click on new static site. Once we have clicked on to the new static site, uh, here are two options. Okay, connect. We can directly connect our GitHub profile, GitHub to this render, or we can select a public Git repository. Okay, in this we have to just copy the public Git repository URL and paste over it. Okay, so we will copy github.com. We will go towards the github.com and copy the repository link we want to host. Okay, so let's see where's our repository. So here's our repository sample. Go towards the repository and copy this link. Okay, copy this link and paste it over here. We didn't select the GitHub because it's a very long process. So we have, in our case, we will select the public Git repository. It would be convenient for us. Okay, so name would be sample and the branch will be main because it's present in the main branch. Okay, root directory. So as you can see, all the project is present over this directory only. There is no any additional directory in which our project is there in the GitHub. So it's optional. So we won't uh, change anything here. So here comes the most important part, the build command. So you can check the build command for the Angular project by going towards the VS Code, and in VS Code you can go to the package.json file, and here you can see the build command. What's the build command? ng.build. So we will simply copy this and paste it over here. Simple. Okay. So publish directory. So to check what's your publish directory, we will head towards the VS Code and enter this command ng build. We will basically build. First we need to change the directory and we will perform ng build, enter. It will build a Angular project. Once your Angular project is built, type this command test, okay, and hit enter. So here you can see your public directory is sample browser. Okay, so we will enter this flag sample. That is the Angular project name / browser. So this is the uh, public directory of our project. So this sample and browser. Okay, once you are done with this, click on deploy static site. It will deploy the project. It takes some time. And as you can see, here's the URL of your website. It takes approximate 2 to 3 minutes to build project. So we will wait. So it says your site is live and the status goes to live. Then click on this URL and boom, you have hosted your first Angular project. If this finds you helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.